Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a TJ Maxx haul. For those of you that don't know, you can actually shop TJ Maxx online. It is slightly complicated because it's not just tjmaxx.com. It's like tjmaxx.tmax or something like that.com. Is weird. Like, is weird. I'm just gonna say it. Oh. Oh. Okay, Louis has joined the party. Anyways, I'm having to lift him because he was injured recently. So anyways, I will link the TJ Maxx website down below in case you're interested in checking any of their stuff out. I am currently waiting on 2 more items from this order, but it's been like a month. They have never done this to me before. Typically they ship within a matter of days. They had emailed and said the item that I had chosen would ship separately. They were 2 Rae Dunn items. One was a plant mister and the other was a plant watering container. And they were like, oh, these are gonna ship separately, and I still haven't got them. So we're just gonna use what we have. So the first thing I did was I actually picked up 2 sports bras. I feel like I have become quite knowledgeable about sports bras, and I was looking for some that were slightly more comfortable for like everyday wear, because sometimes like when doing Pilates, wearing the really tight ones that I use for like hit and spin, what are they called, like maximum compression or something, they're just too tight and it's hard to actually move on the Pilates reformer. So I wanted something slightly more comfortable, so I picked up a set of black and white. Oh, they're hooked together so I can't unhook them, but I just thought they were really cute, basic. I like that it has the thicker what is this called, elastic here. I feel like that creates a thing so it stays in place better. I also like that they are racer back. I don't like the ones that go straight over your shoulders, and I also like that it had pads. And the reason why I like that is because sometimes if I am wearing this and I do Pilates around 4 p.m. every day, I want to be able to put it on with like a white tee and walk my dog without feeling weird. You know what I mean? So yeah, I like that. Next thing in here is a Christmas pajama set. I have been thinking a lot about my Christmas content, which by the way, we are doing the 25 days of Christmas this year, just like every year. So head over to my Instagram if you want some updated info on that. I'll link it down below because I have a highlight that I'll link that's all about that. This is what the pajama top looks like. How freaking cute is this? It even has the Santa belt, which I love. And then it has super soft pants. I got the extra large because that is my size. And then it has white on the bottom, just like Santa's pants. These are super, super soft. I also got another pair of pajamas. You guys know I live in Hawaii, so it gets cooler, but not cool. You know what I mean? So I got some Satin Cheetah leopard print pajamas. These are shorts. I love that they like send it with the hanger. That's so profesh. But it's got the shorts and then it has a long sleeve top, because my arms get cold but my legs don't, because I have to sleep with a blanket on because things might get me in the middle of the night. I don't know why I do that, but it's just my thing. So this is what it looks like. I really like these. I'm really enjoying the satin finish when I'm sleeping. I feel like you stay cooler. You feel, I don't know, more luxurious because they're so comfy. Then we have a box of socks. This is a box of Reindeer Cashmere socks. And I love the box that it comes in. This is a very cute gift idea, by the way. But cashmere socks, I feel like you cannot go wrong. They're such a luxury and they feel so soft. These have like a bluey gray at the top, and then this is gray with beige reindeer here, and then it's like a Christmas print, and then snowflakes, and then Christmas print. And then it also comes with just some plain beige ones. Then we have some more socks. These are Fuzzy Cozy Crew socks. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. It's like ridiculous. This is what they look like. You can see they're quite fuzzy, like insanely fuzzy. It's like you've got a dog that's shedding. But these would also make a really cute gift, and they are like the perfect bed socks or slipper socks for winter. I'm obsessed. And then last but not least, I got a Christmas blanket. That was quite loud. Oh, it too has the hanger. So I got a Christmas blanket. I love me a good blanket, and it doesn't have like the wool stuff on the inside, which I just find that quite itchy. So I'm really happy with this. They have so many Christmas blankets to choose from. It's ridiculous. These would also make really cute gifts, and the softness, like in my family, we call these whoobies. And a whoopee is like the world's softest blanket that you just cuddle up with on the couch and take a nap. This is 100% a whoopee. So if you're in my family and I'm saying that to you, you know it's legit. This is a 50 by 70 inch throw. And let me tell you, it is amazing. That is everything I got from TJ Maxx. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will link everything down below. I will also link my Instagram highlight regarding the 25 Days of Christmas giveaway. If you want to get in on that, definitely make sure you're subscribed and head over and watch that Insta story highlight. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.